All right, welcome back. So today we're just going to do a little thing here. We're just going to swap out the steering wheel. We're still waiting on parts for the sniper kit. Waiting for a buddy of mine to bring the gas tank in from Saskatoon. Once that gets here, we can put the sniper kit on. I also got some bumpers and stuff to put on. I got some projects coming up, but I only got like an hour right now of free time. So what I decided to do is just do a little quickie for you, and we're gonna swap out that Hurton steering wheel for a new Grant steering wheel, and I'll show you how we do it. Just give me a couple minutes to get set up, and we'll get rolling. All right, so before we get started, I went and disconnected the battery. It just makes life a little easier. With the battery off, you're not setting the horn off all the time. So just pry out your horn cap here. Set that off to the side. We'll get after this guy. Okay. Set that off there. So inside here, there's a ring with 3 Phillips screws. So we'll take that off. I'll show you what that looks like. So there you go. That's basically just this little horn ring in there with the 3 screws sits inside here, just like that. So I'm just going to set that over there. And then underneath that, we have this ring. This ring has these 3 little nubs here, and that's what keeps it off of there. And you want, just remember, that goes under the cup. Some of you guys will be putting this back together like that. I won't be. Okay. So this is, I believe it's a 3/4 inch socket. And just take that off just like that. I've had the steering wheel off a couple times, so I may not have to. Just set that over there. And in my case, it's going to be these 2 guys. So we'll get that started in there, just like so. Get this guy started in here, just like so. Okay, there we go. Easily just popped right off there. I like that. I'll just set that aside for now. Deal with that after. Now you got this piece off the back of the old steering wheel. You want to put it on the back side of this hub. So this is the top side. So go like this. And this is the back side. And you'll want to line up this hole with that hole. And then when you do, you'll notice that these 2 screws line up as well. So we'll just stick that in there. And if you don't know what this is for, this is actually for canceling your turn signal switch. And you might be saying, well, hey, what are you doing putting that in there? Because I got this aftermarket switch, which is true, but the day will come when I swap out this steering column for another one, or order a new switch or whatever. And when that happens, this will be able to work for me. So this is also, I don't know if you can see that there. It's marked top in there. So you'll want to line that up with your mark on here that we made earlier. All right, give me a sec here and we'll get all this stuff taken out and sorted out for you. So now we want to line up this top with our top that we marked out earlier, if you needed to. That's what we like right there. So we're going to put that guy there. We're going to take our this is for our horn. We're going to slide this right inside here. It's kind of a tight bit-ish. And we'll grab this guy here, just kind of as our cover on here. We're going to bring our horn assembly through here. Okay. Just picked it up from Amazon. Pretty sure we can figure it out. Hope so. Horn button. Okay, here we go. A little bit of drag in there. I don't know if I dig that. Not too sure what's going on here, folks. Well, let's take a look. So the way this works, because right now, if I had the battery plugged in, it would just be honking. So the way this works is this. So when we hook this cap on there with this spring underneath, the spring actually pulls this connection off of the steering wheel. Does that make sense? Because of the spring inside here, the horn cap will actually pull that away. And then when you push on it, make the connection, boom, 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 we got a horn. I usually take a piece of tape, stick that on here to hold it on there while I put it on. Otherwise, I'm fighting with it. So let me go grab a piece of tape and throw it on real quick. gonna take a piece of electrical tape, throw it in the center there, just like that. Take my spring, put it on there just like that. And now I should be able to there we go. Okay. Now put it back together and the horn didn't work. And I think it's the paint on the steering wheel. So what I want to do, I just want to remove the paint underneath each one of these. So I'm just going to run some emery cloth in there. Because the thing is, I know I didn't show it on camera, my horn worked before I fixed it, if you know what I'm saying. So there we go. I like that. I believe in that. Oh, we'll go try the horn. Let's give it a go. All right, I'm gonna go hook up the battery and we'll try it. There we go. Beauty. I think I do want to back that off a little bit, but this steering wheel takes her up off the seat a little bit. If you're a bigger guy, brings it in just a little bit. I think it's still a 16-inch wheel. 15 and a half. So compared to our old wheel, you see it just dwarfs it, right? So get her off there a little bit. Currently still have manual steering, so I'm hoping I don't regret that. Horn works. I like the feel of it. I think it's going to be a win for me personally. I hope you guys like it. The only real thing different than a typical installation is that one piece on the back of the steering wheel. It comes off the back here, those two screws. Other than that, have at her. If you're local and you want this steering wheel, she's rough, she's cracked all up. But if you want something to, you know, do the JB Weld try and repair thing, hit me up. You can have it free. I don't care. Otherwise, I'm just going to throw it in the trash. I got no use for it. All right, guys, that wraps up another one. Steering wheel install, 60 to 66. Chevy, GMC, probably a lot more than that, but she's working. She's good to go. Catch you guys on the next one. Cheers. You grab a tape measure real quick.